Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel EduKartik, and in today's video we are going to do the identities which are the topic of number system. So in the identities there are total 11 identities in this chapter. So three of them we have studied in 8th class also, but in 9th class there are 8 more identities. So I'll tell you those. Firstly, I will tell you 6 only, and then after erasing the board I'll tell you 5 more. Okay, so let's start from the first one. As you all know, these three identities, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square, because we have studied them in earlier classes. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Here a and b are two consonants. These variables are consonants and you might get them as the variables also. A will have different value and b will also have a different value. Now a minus b whole square, it is the same thing, just this will be converted to the minus symbol. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This symbol is changed over here. This was plus and this is now minus. Now a square minus b square. This is different from both of these. Over here, firstly we'll add both of them, and secondly we'll subtract both of them. So firstly add a plus b and multiplied by subtracting means a minus b. If we take a value 31 and 31 square minus 30 square, so we can put it like this. And what will we do? Add both of them. 31 plus 30 multiplied by 31 minus 30, hence 1. So no need to write it because anything into 1 will be itself. So 30 plus 31, it is 61. So our answer will be 61, instead of just multiplying them, finding their squares and again subtracting them. It will take long time, so that's why identities were invented. Now x plus a multiplied by x plus b. This will be, firstly we will put square of x and we'll leave the gap, and here we'll write a into b. A into b. Now in between we'll write a plus b multiplied by x. A plus b multiplied by x. Okay, so our identity will become x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now a plus b plus c whole square. This is same as this. Just firstly we will have to do a plus b whole square, then b plus c whole square, then a plus c whole square. But the a plus b whole square will come only once. It will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, this will be our identity. Firstly square of this, then square of this, then square of this, then multiplied by 2ab, 2bc and 2ca. Okay, now in this one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be what? It will be 3abc. 3abc. So you might be thinking that how these will be 0, because if one of them is minus and other are plus, or it can be two of them are minus and one is positive. That's why. Now yes, this is C. Now we will come to our further next identities. So now friends, these are 5 more identities which we have to do. Now let's see our 7th one. These are identities related to cube. A plus b whole cube. Firstly, we'll do the cube of this, then 3 multiplied by this plus this and this, and multiplied by this thing. So how we'll write it? Cube of this, a cube. Then cube of this, b cube. Then what? 3 multiply this, 3 into a into b. Then multiplied by this, meaning a plus b. Okay? Now same with this, but the symbols will get totally changed. All of these will be minus. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b. This is minus over here. A minus b whole cube. Wait, the brackets are not looking nice. Yes. A minus b. I hope you are able to understand this. This is a minus b whole cube and this was a plus b whole cube. But these are totally different from these, which are a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Firstly, a cube plus b cube. It is a plus b in one bracket. And over here, a minus b in one bracket. Because this is a cube minus b cube and this is a cube plus b cube. Now in bracket, square both of these, a square. Then over here it will be minus ab. And over here it will be plus ab. And this one, plus b square. Plus b square in both of these. So I'll repeat the identity. A cube plus b cube will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube, it will be a square plus ab plus b square. Now this one, this is a bit difficult one because this is the longest in all of them. If a cube plus b cube plus b cube, I mean c cube, minus 3abc is given. Firstly, you have to observe the identities in question, which one of these is getting used, so that you can use the identity over there. It will be, add both of them, a plus b plus c. Added both of them and put them in a bracket. Now once more bracket to open. Now minus 3abc, firstly we'll square both of them. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is our identity. Now I'll repeat all of them. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. I mean a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Everything is minus over here. Now a plus b, a cube plus b cube. It is a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. And if we change the symbol to minus, a cube minus b cube, it will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Remember, there won't be coming 2ab, it will remain ab only. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It will be, firstly add them in a bracket, a plus b plus c multiply them by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Friends, I hope you love the video. In this video, we have done all the identities related to class 9. In next video, I'll do something else for you. Okay friends, bye bye. Till then, see you in the next class.